Welcome back. Now we are in the to-do item component. This is that card. The function we are going to implement for today is this delete button. When we are going to click on this button, we will delete this to-do item and notify the parent that this item has been deleted, so we remove it from the list. Let's go ahead and do that. This is going to be a very simple function. I will add on click for this remove button, and we are going to call it remove to-do item or remove item async. This is it, very simple. And I will take that, go back to the API, and we'll add a new function. We'll call it remove item async, and basically it will do the exact same thing for the create. Let's go for the create. This is the file of create, and we will take this stuff from here until here actually, and then we will just add it like this. So when we do things like that, of course we need the isBusy indicator. Tool isBusy like this. Sorry, it's not a property, it's just a normal field. We don't need error messages. And to-do item service, yeah, we need to inject the to-do item service. Let's do that. To-do items, to-do item service. It's going to be the interface, sorry. Yes, I'll call it to-do items service. Get and set, cool. Like that. And this one is delete async, and it will take just the item.id. This is it. It doesn't need anything else. It's not going also to retrieve anything as well. This is it. And for this one, we are going also to log this error because the user won't send like anything wrong. So we are going this to be treated within this exception. And instead of on to-do item added, we are going also to add another callback, parameter public event callback of type to-do item detail on item deleted. We set the get and set like that. What is going to happen is just we will invoke this to notify the parent that we have deleted the item. And this is the item that has been deleted, which is the exact same item that has been passed for this page. So we'll click on save all. Right, good, that's really good. And now we are already calling this from the UI. No, where is this? Yeah, it is over here. But the only thing that we are going to do is also if we are deleting, then we should show that isBusy indicator. So isBusy like this, and we will remove this one. We will put it here, and for this one, instead of putting this, we are going to add the mod progress circular that we have implemented from the create to-do item form. So it will like spins instead of the to-do item, which gives like a better user experience instead of deleting that button, and we have it just like that. This is the classes to keep it on the right side, and this is the delete button, and all is doing good. Now the last thing that we should implement is to subscribe for that event, which is on item deleted, which is item deleted, or we are going also to call it on item deleted. On item deleted should be a method that takes a bland detail as an item, which is the item that will be removed. And let's go to the code behind file and add this. Actually, it's going to be the exact same thing. On item deleted callback. Okay, let's use the callback so we can keep it the exact same thing for this one. On to do item deleted callback, and what we should do is to remove it from the list, and that's it. Let's copy this name just to be consistent across, because here we are saying on to-do item added a callback, and this should be the same thing. So that's it. This is very simple. We have called the API, and let's give it a try right now. Let's navigate to plans, and now clicking on view, you can see all the items. Let's try to click on delete. Hopefully it's going to work. Oh, look at that, it works from the first time. Yeah, it is simple, but yeah, like it is doing a very good job. As you can see, let's remove all of them. It's pretty fast. And now let's add some new items. Learn Blazor with .NET 6. Add learn algorithms and data structures. So I'll mistype it because in the next session we are going to see how we implement delete. So in that case, edit. So in that case, we can fix such a mistake that we do. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed the session. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.